Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, APEC. It is a regional economic forum formed on 19th December 1989. Aim of the corporation is to increase interdependence, means dependence on the each other of the Asia Pacific region countries, and to create the prosperity among the people of its member countries through the regional and economic integration. This corporation mainly focuses on trade and economic issues only. Because of this only, member countries of this corporation are known as economies. Presently, this corporation has 21 members and India is not a member of this corporation. Since its formation, this corporation has lowered trade tariffs. Tariffs means taxes between its member countries, and it has achieved free trade and economic liberation between its member countries. In the Seoul Declaration, which was taken in 1991, member countries of this corporation announced to create free trade between the Pacific Rim region. Here, Pacific Rim region means countries around the basin of Pacific region. Countries around the basin of Pacific Ocean. This corporation accounts for 62% of the global GDP, and presently India is the observer of this corporation, and India wanted to join the Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, and India has its own region to join this corporation. Those are the strength of this grouping, means this corporation accounts for 1/3 of the global population, and it accounts for the 62% of the global GDP. And to achieve the 5 trillion economy, India wanted 1 trillion investment in its economy, and it is possible through this corporation. This investment will be possible through this corporation. And to enhance the Act East policy of the India, as many East Asian countries are the member of this Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, and it will be by joining this corporation, Act East policy of the India will be enhanced. On November 11th, this corporation meeting was held in San Francisco, USA, and Indian Corporation Minister Piyush Goyal attended this meeting. Because of this only, this Asia Pacific Economic Corporation was in news. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.